What's up, guys? Welcome back to So Many Parks, So Little Time, or as I like to call it, So Many Parks, So Little Time. So this is actually a pretty darn spontaneous trip to Sesame Place in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Basically a combination of right place, right time, extra time, and discount tickets. So yeah, I've never been to this park before. This is probably going to be a shorter video because this is a place for children. But they do have a Gravity Group wood coaster here. It's a junior coaster, but it's still Gravity Group, which means it's probably gonna pack a punch. So yeah, quick video, quick visit to check out a park I've never been to before, and yeah, let's go inside. So Oscar's Wacky Taxi is actually pretty good. It doesn't have the same punch that Kentucky Flyer or even Wooden Warrior has, but for a kids coaster, this throws in a lot of airtime. I think there's one section that has like 4 bunny hills in a row, and it's just pop after pop, and it's a lot of fun. And yes, this is a new wood coaster credit for me, so add one to the count. But yeah, Oscar's Wacky Taxi, thumbs up, very good ride. So having a theme park themed to Sesame Street is such a genius move. Sesame Street has been around for decades. I forgot the exact date that it first aired. I'll put it somewhere on the screen here, but it's been around forever. So parents are familiar with the characters. Teens, young adults, and especially kids are familiar with these characters. This is a timeless series that will last for generations. Overall, it's just amazing how one man, Jim Henson, has reached out and touched the lives of so many people, and that legacy continues through artifacts like this theme park and the continuing series and the Muppets and just about everything. Dark Crystal. And then next year, San Diego is opening up their very own Sesame Place. So yeah, not only is this a formula for success, but this is a formula for nostalgia, and it's just going to be drawing people for years and years. And this is such a cute and charming park to really express all of those positive qualities of Sesame Street. that was Sesame Place in Langhorne, Pennsylvania, and this is a fantastic place for kids. Yeah, I came here as a coaster enthusiast so I could go on Oscar's Wacky Taxi. It was an opportunity, otherwise I would not have gone out of my place to come here. Now, don't get me wrong, this place is fantastic. It's a place that really emphasizes just how strong of a IP Sesame Street is. All the kids are having fun, the place looks really, really nice. So will I come back here again as a coaster enthusiast? Probably not. But will I come back here again as a dad, hopefully someday? Absolutely I will. So yeah, great place for family, great place for kids. The coasters are good, but really this place was built on a love for Sesame Street, and that's what it excels at. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this short but sweet episode. I will see you in the next one. Take care.